Be an emotional support. Giving your support and complete attention when you're able to do so might also count as being a role model. Some young children could find it challenging to handle stressors at school or job. Talk about what's bothering them and concentrate on what they need. Practice active listening. Maintain close eye contact. If they're talking about something challenging for them, give them support. Think about expressing, "That sounds like a challenging circumstance," or "That's a tough situation." Reassure them that you and others are there for them. Be honest about the support and assistance you can provide. Hug them when they're in pain. Give them high fives when they perform well. This boosts their self-assurance. Make them feel safe. Give young toddlers a place to feel safe, a comfortable basis. If you're visiting younger family members and their home life is hectic, locate other locations for them to feel safe, such as your home or well-lit public areas. Conversely, if they experience anxiety in public, figure out how to help them feel safe there. When you have small children under 10, keep a close eye on their whereabouts and activities, especially in public areas. Keep an eye on them and don't let them roam too far. Refrain from taking kids to locations where they can encounter offensive behavior or feel uneasy. Don't let kids see mature content on television or in movies, especially if it's disturbing or violent. Inspiring creativity. Inspire others with what interests you. Mentors aid others in discovering their passions. You can inspire others by sharing your enthusiasm for something, whether it is sports, the arts, food, or anything else. Tell your younger relatives about your interests. Find methods to include them. Get your younger relatives to join you if you enjoy playing. They might not be able to play at your level, but you can assist them learn the fundamentals. Do activities that promote confidence and personal growth. Find tough but enjoyable hobbies. Look for items that are suitable for your age. Have faith in the work you're doing with them. Include them in something you both enjoy doing to make them feel special. If they're under 12, look for activities that might involve exploring the outdoors or instructing them on how to build or make something using craft supplies. If they're under 6, look for toys and activities that help them to learn fundamental problem-solving and creative thinking skills, like building something out of wooden blocks or learning basic dance steps. If they are adolescents, it can entail assisting with a class project, taking them to a nearby art exhibit, or participating in volunteer work with a nearby nonprofit organization. Laugh and have fun. Befriend your younger family members. Acting superior to them or brighter than them is inappropriate. Make them comfortable. Avoid making them feel condemned or laughing at them if they act foolishly or make a mistake in some other way. Finding something you can both laugh at and laughing together is preferable. Hope this helps. Subscribe for more. Good luck.